on, Reds Fishing. We come out here a lot. First time we actually have the pleasure of having Captain Carlos, the owner of Brownsville Bait and Tackle, on the show. Captain Carlos.
Hey guys, good morning guys. Aquí estamos en Brownsville Bait and Tackle, guys. This is what we offer right here, guys. Look at that.
He always has live bait. Captain Carlos does so much for the fishing community, and we come here a lot, but this is the first time we actually have the pleasure of having him on the show, and it's great to finally have him on here. Thanks a lot. Come on, Reds. And here he is, Mr. Snooking Around, Johnny.
What's going on, guys? We're out here with Sam. Come on, Reds. Port of Brownsville, the ship channel, trying to get us some fish today. It's going to be a little bit windy. It's a mangrove snapper.
What do we say? Ah! Fish jumped right there. See fish breaking over there. Look at that, solid mangrove snapper. Right here under this dock in the Shrimp Basin. Pa-pow!
Pa-pow, the boy, Sam.
That's what's up, snapper on board. Dude, this is a nice one. Wow, he pulled some drag. Come on, Reds Fishing. Snook mission turned into a snapper mission and it's working out pretty good. A couple of them in there already. Oh yeah, here they are. Here they are, man. Here they are, man. There's a bunch of them, man. They come up with it, man. There's hundreds of them, Chito. This is freaking awesome. This is exactly what I was looking for, man. Mangrove snappers, man. Oh man, that was a big old bait. Got it, man. That's a good one.
And he went over the pipe.
That's a good one, man. Oh, don't lose him. Oh, hell.
That was a good one.
All right. Hell yeah, man. Nice snapper. Man, that's a nice snapper. That's a nice snapper right there. At least, yeah. Oh, he got him. This is a big one. Oh, he broke me off. Oh, net. Damn. Woo. All right. Oh crap. I just had my drag reel loose. Good one. Nip, nip, nip. Pow! Oh crap! Woo! Pow!
Yes, sir. Very nice.
Woo! 7 snapper slaying. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Alright guys, that's gonna be the haul for today. Snook mission turned into a snapper mission and it was a success. Not bad. And come on Reds. Go to 78 Action.